I've tested hundreds, if not over 1,000 iPhone accessories, and I've collected some of the best ones that you should buy. Because although you don't need these, you'll definitely want it. So let's check it out.
Now, an actual wallet to store your credit card and ID from Skinarma, in collaboration with our favorite cyberpunk futuristic brand, Machine 56, with its flip-out magnetic stand that also doubles as a finger grip, combined with strong magnets so you can use the phone without fear of doing this. The grip is wrapped in what feels like a faux leather, but also folds flat when not in use. Clutch for anyone trying to stay minimal but have butter fingers for days. The details on this go hard with the text and designs along the backside, something straight out of Ghost in the Shell with a little hint of Alita and Tron as well, and if you know, then you know. Cyberpunk vibes. It does only hold 2 cards, perfect for a credit card and ID, with the rest of its bulk to accommodate this, a trigger to pop them out auto-magically. And honestly, I would call this the most affordable fidget toy that is also useful, and one that no one will judge you for. I guarantee you're gonna get compliments for this beauty, even if just by other men. Thankfully, it's something you can easily recommend as it passes our scientific shake test without any card sliding out. Plus, sliding and squeezing this back and forth is so satisfying. It's not the thinnest wallet we've tested, but the added finger grip and trigger mechanism is worth it in my opinion over regular looking boring leather wallets that cost double the price. Plus, when combined with a dbrand skin as sick as this, you may get questioned if you're actually from the future. So combine that with their tank case and you've essentially invented invincibility for your iPhone. Look, I know you know someone that sucks at holding their iPhone, but I got you. Well, dbrand does with their new tank case. And as the name suggests, you can drop your new iPhone 17 as much as you want and as high as you want to as well. Although you should probably just leave the testing to me. Just know that this case can take a beating. Taking design cues from their grip case, they've added grooves on grooves along the edges for your fingers to feel up with extra clicky buttons and smooth camera control compatibility as well. Around back, they've completely covered the camera bump, essentially flattening it with the back of the phone, combined with the raised corners that keeps the lenses lifted. So all you have to do is not this all day. There's also a thick lip around the front that works great on flat surfaces, but you can take it a step further with their Prism 2.0 screen protector that they call, in their own words, idiot proof. So perfect for you and I then, because after wiping off any chicken finger grease, you can simply pop it on top, pull the single tab, and it actually removes any remaining dust auto-magically, giving you the perfect install every single time. No air bubbles, perfectly aligned edges, and most importantly, no more raging from your OCD. The rounded off edges don't feel like you're holding knives, and it's small enough to fit most cases too. So combine that with their tank case, and you've essentially invented invincibility for your iPhone. Plus, the design along the back goes so hard with braille, geographical coordinates, and math equations with secret messages. However, the MagSafe magnet strength is also next level. Just listen to this snap into place. Passing our scientific drop tests without slipping whatsoever. I get it. To some, they make all this excessive, busy, or even ugly. But this is the definition of putting lipstick on a pig. Why does this actually look like something out of Tron? Because metallic swappable buttons were not in my 2025 bingo card for dbrand. But here we are. Of course, for the regular folk, they've also got their ghost clear case with the added grippy edges and full clear backside, so we can all see right through your BS. But also, it has a lifetime guarantee that if the clear ever yellows, they'll replace it, no questions asked, which to my knowledge, they have yet to need to do that for anybody. Finally, there's also the classic grip case, my personal favorite, because you can literally go full blackout with their custom case skins too, and installation this time around is way easier thanks to the flat back too, which makes the hardest part simply deciding which shade of black suits your personality more. Plus, they're offering 42% off when you bundle a Prism screen protector with one of their cases, which is a pretty epic deal for an epic combo. Links are down below. For the Pokemon investors, I mean collectors out there burning cash on cardboard, you can now at least show off how irresponsible you are with your adult money. The CardHaven MagSafe displays allow you to securely store your favorite card with pride, combined with the hard shell design, keeping it safe from scratches, dust, and your grimy chicken fingers too. The magnets along back hold strong, which basically feels like attaching a MagSafe wallet to the back of your phone, as it also passes our scientific shake test too. In the hand, it feels comfortable and adds some ridges for your fingers to grip onto as well. Plus, we didn't have any issues pulling this in and out of pockets. It works perfectly on case cases too, fitting underneath the camera bump, but my favorite combo is the 17 Pro Naked. Having the edges sit flush with the phone is an unmatched feeling of satisfaction in the hands. Oh, and if you're afraid of it falling out, in my tests, it ain't going anywhere once it's all covered up. Plus, swapping out your cards to impress her is just as easy too. There are plenty of iPhone chargers and batteries available already, but the UGREEN MagFlow magnetic power bank packs all of those great features into one small box. A built-in braided cable for direct 30 watts of charging speed, MagSafe wireless charging with Qi 2 at 25 watts of charging speed, a built-in screen, and you can use all the charging capabilities at the same time for your earphones, consoles, and any other vibrating devices too. Now, to point out the giraffe in the room, it's not the tiniest battery, but fitting perfectly on the iPhone 17 Pro Max size, and while it's got some girth in the hands, which is nothing I'm not used to, the charging speeds I'm getting out of this are worth the trade-off to me, as I get a 50% top up in just about 35 minutes. Plus, the chunky design isn't wasted, as it feels like a tank of a battery, so I'm not worried when tossing this into a bag or it passing my scientific drop tests. Combine that with the fairly thick braided cable that doubles as a lanyard too, which you can only do if you're as cool as this guy. But that also means you're getting a built-in foot-long USB-C cable. And when combined with the USB-C port as well, it can charge 3 iPhones at once with its 10,000 milliamp battery capacity. Plenty to share when you head out, or just one less thing to worry about while traveling too, because it's strong enough to even charge my iPad as well. But the rounded corners and smooth body still slides into my pockets like you in her DMs, all while staying attached thanks to the fairly strong magnetic connection. However, my favorite feature has to be the cable being able to charge itself, basically an all-in-one package when it comes to staying juiced up. Oh, and if you did need to charge at home, they offer a range of charging docks too, like this 25 watt MagFlow charging station, which includes a dedicated AirPods charger underneath, multiple viewing angles, all in this tiny AF package. You have everything you need for the day ready to go in one spot. So links are down below. Losing my wallet in another country is in my top 4 biggest fears while traveling, and top 17 overall. So having a card tracker like Eufy's new E30 tucked in with my cards, passport, and cash, hidden inside my luggage without taking up any extra room, in my daily sling I take everywhere with me, my jacket so I can actually take it off, or other valuable assets, gives me the peace of mind I can at least find it when I inevitably forget it somewhere. It's water resistant, doubles as a phone finder, which I know you need more than I do, and offers a banger of a tune. Now, if you jam out too hard and too long, they finally included the ability to charge it. So while it's rated to last a year, you don't have to toss it out or replace it when it does run out of juice. Combine that with the durable build, you could in theory keep track of your sneaky links too. I'll be the first to admit, I sort of fell in love with Skinarma's phone accessories, which I also hope I'm saying the name right. So this second piece from them, the Scout XE56, is another collaboration with Machine 56. And while it is simply a neck lanyard, the details they put into it show how much they care. A red patch on anything black is always a banger. The embossed black on black logo on the strap is wild and I love it, with loops to attach AirPods or other light accessories too. They also include a phone adapter fitting most cases we've tested, as it won't get in the way of any charging cables as well. Plus, the tiny circular carabiner is another nice touch to make it even easier to attach. They also use soft coated matte black carabiners, which feel amazing and offer adjustability to wear this however you want. So if lanyards are finally going to become popular in the West, you'll probably catch me rocking this one. This one's for the aspiring photographers who only use portrait mode and call themselves a pro. A camera style grip that transforms into a phone stand, selfie stick, and even has tripod legs built in, which are surprisingly durable with the metal arm supports and rubber feet too. It's adjustable in height and includes a detachable wireless remote, so you can pretend this is a real camera. Honestly, having a whole tripod packed into this tiny package is pretty game changing for any content creator. The selfie stick is perfect for the uncles and aunties, but for me, the camera grip is where it starts to feel like the real deal. Yes, it's made mostly of plastic with a lot of moving parts, but for how many positions, angles, and styles of shooting you can achieve, given it goes on sale for less than $10, this might be the steal of the year, even if you just simply use it as a very sophisticated phone stand. Like the ancient saying goes, the best iPhone mounts are the ones you have with you. Pretty sure Steve Jobs said that himself. So having it built into your water bottle from RhinoShield is clutch. The AquaStand bottle has a hinged MagSafe mount for multiple viewing angles, but also useful for for the perfect pump photo too, because when you're done, you can actually use the bottle to wash down that giant ego of yours, and bottle it will because it works as intended with a large pour hole combined with a pretty tall lip for easy sipping too. Plus, I love to see a physical locking clip to keep things sealed when tossed into a bag. The hinge is tight enough to hold at its full range of angles, while it can also double as a clip to carry around conveniently as well. Basically, it's fidgety, durable, and most importantly, looks like a normal water bottle too. We don't usually show a bag in this series, but with how many accessories you're gonna buy, you may need one. And Orbitkey's new Disney collaboration slings don't just show off your love for ducks, but is surprisingly tech forward in design and organization too. You're getting waterproof materials, YKK zippers, basically the best zippers you can use, and a thick adjustable strap that allows you to carry all this comfortably. Now, inside is where the magic begins. Get it? Because Disney. 4 liters is more than enough space for a daily outing, which obviously fits your phone of choice in one of their many sleeve pockets, but plenty of room for all your other junk you usually just stuff in your skinny jean pockets. But the best part is the hidden back panel pocket. Perfect for cash, passports, and daily essentials too. Plus, the Disney pattern lining on this is a secret bonus too. A large classic clip buckle keeps it all together, but they've also included their custom metal clip that can hold its own weight outside of the bag too. Obviously, if you're a Peking duck hater, I feel you, but they do offer classic black versions too if you're boring like I am. But comment down below if you wear fanny packs the modern way or the classic and correct way. Now that's style. Now, I'll be the first to admit, I spend a lot of time on my phone, and sometimes it can get a little intense. So having a personal fan blowing directly at you to keep you cool is a instant cop for me. It's MagSafe compatible, so you don't have to be a pleb and actually hold it. And with its 7,000 RPM motor, you'll definitely feel all the pleasures of owning this when it blows you. Made mostly of plastic, which keeps it very lightweight and could technically be used handheld as well, which makes it easy to share with others too. But in the end, it's made for this. Lying on your couch, doom scrolling your life away while staying cool. Now that's the life I want to live.
For more EDC, tech, and all things carry, sign up to our new newsletter, Supply, where we send you a weekly email of all the additional deals that we find, or join our free EDC community, Pocket Hoarders, where you can show off all the junk in your pockets without being judged, except by me. But that's it. I rest my card case.